it's me, Dr. Q, and clients often ask me that they just got their pet's teeth cleaned at a tremendous expense, and it's also really stressful. So now what? What do I have to do to make sure that I don't have to do this again anytime soon? Well, our regular dentist, we brush our teeth every single day, and this dentist still wants to see us every 6 months. So with pets, it's really tough because we have to do a lot of things at home to try to minimize coming to the vet's office too often to get that dental cleaning again. So within 48 hours after your cleaning, I want you to go ahead and get started with a good at-home dental care program. And these are some of the items that you can use as a part of that program. Here in the end, we have these Veggie Dent treats. These actually help get some tartar off of the teeth. Notice that they have this little VOHC seal on them. I do recommend that if you're going to be buying products that are good for your pet's teeth, to find ones that have that VOHC seal on there, because the seal tells us that veterinary dentists actually did clinical trials on these products and prove that they really work. So I don't want you wasting your money. Well, the next thing that you might want to think about getting is these water additives. Water additives like this are kind of like a diluted mouthwash. And what you do is just follow the directions on the bottle and for how much to use. And then every time your pet gets a drink, it sort of flushes their mouth out and helps minimize the bacterial buildup that can happen there. So that's kind of a good, easy thing to do. And then my favorite of all of the tools that you can use is a good probiotic. Because remember, 70 to 80% of your animal's immune system is lining their whole intestinal tract. So it's very hard to keep them healthy if they have a lot of disease and tartar and bacteria on the teeth. And so you can feed them the best diet in the world, but if they're chewing it with really heavily infected teeth, it's not going to help much. But a good probiotic has actually been clinically shown to help minimize how fast that tartar builds up in the mouth. Isn't that cool? So it's great for your animal to be on a good probiotic every day anyway. So you can either do something like this one, which is a powder that we recommend here, that's water activated and goes on the food, or we have this paste, which is actually tasty and pretty easy to use, and you just a little tiny bit and they swallow it right down, and then it's all taken care of, and you're helping take care of not only their whole body but also their dental health as well. Now, for those dogs that haven't had a recent teeth cleaning, or cats for that matter, and have a lot of tartar already, and we just haven't been able to get them in to get that teeth cleaning yet, then I recommend this product, which is called Plaque Off. And this is actually a seaweed-based product that changes the chemistry inside the mouth and helps literally sort of melt off a lot of that heavy tartar that's in there. So I really like this product. We've had amazing results with it. We've had clients use it on their little dogs. Only like a week later, they're seeing significant reduction in the amount of tartar that's on the teeth. So this stuff is really good. It really works. And then, of course, last but not least, there's actually physically cleaning the teeth. So you can use a dog toothbrush and those little finger cots or whatever if you like to do that, if you already have that at home. I personally don't really like the doggy's toothpaste that much because I find that for my own dogs, they're spending so much time licking it that it's hard to actually get the job done. So instead, what I recommend is getting something like a little gauze sponge like this. Anywhere that you can get first aid supplies, you can get this, your pharmacy or wherever. Get these little sponges, wrap around your finger, and then this is an antibacterial dental rinse that we make here in the hospital. It has some good essential oils in it too, so it's really good for your pets. And you're just gonna squirt some of this on here, and then you're gonna rub it on the teeth. And what you're really trying to do is really just get this antibacterial liquid along the gum line. So you want to think about 4 quadrants here. You want to think the 2 canines and the 2 big primary chewing molars. So that's really what I want you to focus on. You're not going to try to go inside the teeth. You're not going to open the mouth and do anything like that. You're just going to gently hold your pet's face, slide your finger under the lip, and you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, good dog, and you're all done. Yay, that's right, and that's how that goes. And if you can do that once a day, that is amazing with your cats or your dogs. Cats, a lot of times, what I recommend doing is have them actually come up onto a table like this to do it. That way you're kind of have a better vision of what they're doing. Invite them up, give them a few little treats and things like that, and have it be sort of like the designated toothbrushing spot. And that being said, let's go ahead and give our demonstrator a little treat before we get started so he stays nice and relaxed and doesn't mind the next part of this, which is we're going to actually show you what it looks like to do it. So I'm going to wrap this around my finger. I'm right-handed, so that works good for me. A little spray. Go boy, ready? Here we go. Go boy, ready? Okay. So I'm just going to stand right next to him. Gently, gently cradle his face. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Pull the lips back, folks, right here. This is really important. You see that? Look at how much tartar he has, because I have not been good about taking care of his teeth. Clearly, the cobbler's kids have no shoes, and my dog has dental disease that I need to take care of, but at least you got to see what it looks like in real life, and he did really good with that. If I had a clicker here, I would click him because he's clicker trained, and he would know that he did a good job. I'm going to give him a little cookie. Good boy. And then, I'm embarrassed to even go there, but let's see what the other side looks like. So I'm going to do a little like this. He says, I don't want the other side. I know, but it's okay, kiddo. You're going to be fine. We're going to get through this together. Oh, there we go. Just like that. So no, not going to be forcing him. Try to get my face out of there. Good. A little bit of tartar. Again, it's these back molars. That's the most important. Good boy. That's the most important chewing tooth in their mouth. So we want to make sure that we take care of that. So as soon as we're done with this video, I'm actually going to go get a scraper, or we're going to get a little of that off of him, because that is not what you want to see back there. You want to see nice, white, pearly teeth. So that's what we're going to do and take care of him. And on that note, I'm Dr. Q, here to help you have the most amazing relationship with all of the animals in your life, and also keep them healthy as long as possible. So please subscribe to this channel, leave your comments down below. If you have any questions, please reach out and let us know. We're here to support you in any way we can to try to keep these guys healthy with all of these things, so we don't have to have a dental cleaning all the time. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you right here next time.